Good morning, all. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given: solve log 2xy is equal to log x into log y, log yz is equal to log y into log z, log 2zx is equal to log 2 into log x. You have to find the value of x, y, z. So, like this, logical or critical Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So your subscription is very important now because it is a new channel. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution to this problem? Otherwise you can continue the video. So you will get the solution. So here what is given? First log 2xy. Log 2xy is equal to log x into log y given. So here log mn formula log 2 plus log x plus log y is equal to log x into log y. So here you have expanded this sum. So you can write send all the terms to that side. Log x into log y minus log x minus log y is equal to log 2. So here you can write it as adding 1 now. This is the logic we are having. Log x into log y minus log x minus log y plus 1 is equal to 1 plus log 2. You will get adding 1 on both sides. So here you can take common log x common. So log y minus 1 in this you can take log x common. So here you'll get a log y minus 1. Here you can take minus 1 common. So log y minus 1 you'll get. So this can be written as log 10 base 10 plus log 2 base 10. So this is the logic in this problem. So you can write it as log y minus log 1 into log x minus log 1 is equal to log 20 base 10. So here you can take it as first equation. Similarly, if you take the second one, so log y log y z log y z is equal to log y into log z. So log y into log z, you can take it as log y plus log z. Log y plus log z is equal to log y into log z. The same process. So here also we are adding 1. So you'll get it log y into log z, log y into log z minus log y minus log z is equal to 0. So adding 1 on both sides. So here log y into log z minus log y minus log z plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1, adding 1 on both sides. So here you can take log y common. Log y common, log z minus 1 minus 1 common, log z minus 1 is equal to, here you can take log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. So here we are getting log z minus 1 into log y minus 1 is equal to log 10 base 10. So the log 10 base 10 we are having 1 now is equal to 1 you can get. So here multiplying Okay, in the same way, you can you can get the third equation also. Third equation, similarly, you'll get a third one, log x minus log 1, log x minus log 1 into log z minus 1 is equal to log 20 base 10. So this is the second one and this is the third one now. So here multiplying all the three, multiply 1 and 1, 2 and 3. Multiplying all the three equations, what will get? So here log x we are having 2 times. So log x minus 1 whole square. In the second one, log y minus 1 whole square. Third one, log z minus 1. Log z minus 1 whole square is equal to here log 20 into 1 into again log 20. Now if you take the square root of these values, taking square root log x minus 1 whole square, log y minus 1 whole square, log z minus 1 whole square is equal to, square root means here you'll get plus or minus log 20 whole square. So here what you'll get here, log x minus 1 into log y minus 1 into log z minus 1 is equal to plus or minus log 20. You can take another factor plus or minus 1. This is another logic we are having. So here you can take log z minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, like this we are having the cases. So here first of all we will take log x minus 1. You will take x minus 1 is equal to log 20. Second one, log y minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. And third one also you can take log z minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. So you are taking all the three values. So here log x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 20. Log x is equal to 1 plus or minus log 20. So here you can take log x is equal to, so log 10 base 10 plus or minus log 20 plus or minus base 10. So here you will get log x is equal to log 200. So here x is equal to 200. So here if you take a negative, so here you will get here you will get another case. So here you got x equal to 200. So if you take log x is equal to log 10 minus log 20, log 10 minus log 20, you will get log x is equal to log 10 by 20, m by n formula. So x is equal to 1 by 2 will get. So this is another value of x. X value 200 or x value we are getting 1 by 2. So if you take y value, so here log y is equal to 1 plus or minus 1. So log y is equal to, you will get 2. Log y is equal to 2, or you will get log y is equal to 0. So here if you take log y is equal to base 10, so y is equal to 10 square, y is equal to 100 will get. So in the same way here y is equal to 10 power 0, y is equal to 1. This is the second case of getting the values. Now in the same way, if you take log z values here, so log z also will get the same 1 plus or minus 1. Log z is equal to 2 or log z is equal to 0. So z is equal to 10 square, z is equal to 100, or you can take z is equal to 10 power 0, z is equal to 1. So the possible solutions what we are having, so here 200, x value 200, y value 100, z value 100. So the other case, or you can get x value 1 by 2, y value 1 and z value 1. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath.